So, okay, so let's get to the questions.
Can't get to that shit.
What's your medium as an artist?
I'm the best artist on the motherfucking planet. I'm sorry. Let me just. I'm sorry.
And then let's start over. Introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Kanvis. I'm an artist. I tattoo and I paint and shit.
What's your medium as an artist?
I just told you I tattoo and I paint and shit. Shit like that. I'm pretty dope at it too.